The next big thing is finally here. Well, it's not so different from its predecessor. This is the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Hey, what's going on fam? I'm Zashak here, and today Samsung revealed their new flagship lineup in Barcelona in the MWC event. Now the S9, the S9 Plus looks very familiar with the S8 structure. They added a few new things. Now it comes in 4 different colors: midnight black, titanium gray, coral blue, and a new lilac purple. It's more of a lavender color. The S9 and S9 Plus share some similar specs. They both have a Snapdragon 845 processor, same TouchWiz OS with Android 8.0, water and dust resistant, a micro SD card slot, and the front-facing camera is 8 megapixels. Now the S9 has a 3000 mAh battery, 4GB of RAM, and a smaller 5.8-inch screen. It shares almost the same specs as the S8. The attention was more on the Galaxy S9 Plus, providing a larger 3500 mAh battery, a bigger 6.2-inch display, 6GB of RAM, and a better camera. Now what's different about the S9 Plus camera is that it's a dual lens camera. Now you have a wide angle lens and a telephoto lens, and both support OIS and is dual aperture. It's cool that you can see the aperture change when switching modes. I've never seen this in any camera before, so Samsung really put a lot of work towards this piece of hardware. Super slow-mo is incredibly awesome. It records at 960 frames per second. That's incredible. You can see how clear and crisp the quality is. Every bit of detail can be seen in this feature of the camera. Now this is all possible because Samsung provided some DRAM within the memory chip. This helps with the slow motion, the frames, the smoothness, and it helps process image faster. Another new feature is AR emoji, or R emoji. I don't know how to pronounce it. Now what this does is that it uses AR technology, augmented reality technology, to create an avatar of yourself. And once created, you can send cool GIFs, messages to other people. The process is pretty simple. You just take a picture of yourself and the rest is magic. My buddy Ronnie over here helped me out with this. It's pretty cool and fun, but not a new experience. Apple came out with this with the iPhone 10 and it's called the Animoji. I think all you guys know about it. And besides your avatar, you can use other animals that's included with the phone, just like Snapchat did. Now you can use AR emojis on third-party apps like WhatsApp, maybe Viber, to send GIFs, so that's a little neat. Bixby has improved as well. Faster results, easier interface, works better with the camera, and it's better with the Health app. But it's Bixby, not a lot of people are concerned about it. Now let's talk about the fingerprint scanner. It's right below the lens. It's not next to it anymore like it was on the S8 and the S8 Plus. And it's so much more comfortable, and I feel like it's going to be much more easier to unlock your phone now. I know I had a lot of problems with this on my S8, but now with the S9, I know I'm not going to have so many issues anymore. Samsung also hooked this phone up with some stereo speakers, and you know, it's supposed to be their loudest yet, which is, but that doesn't mean that the audio is clear. But you know, since they linked up with Dolby Digital Atmos, it's not that bad, but I'm glad, you know, we do have stereo experience right now on the S9. Now some other things to know about the S9, the S9 Plus, is that you can use the slow motion you recorded and reverse it. You can use the slow motion to use as, you know, as your lock screen. You can use Bixby Vision to translate stuff that you can't even understand. And you know, there's a lot of new other features that they haven't announced that's coming to the S9 and the S9 Plus. So you can reserve the S9, the S9 Plus right now. Pre-orders start on March 2nd and it releases globally on March 16th. The S9 retails starting at $720 and the S9 Plus at $840. So that's all we have about Samsung's new flagship lineup. I will definitely have a full-on review about the S9 when it releases. If you dislike this video, please let me know what I can do to improve on my future content. If you like this video, please like, share, and finesse on that subscribe button. I'm going to be having much more content coming up in the coming weeks, months, you name it. And I hope you'll stick around with me. Alright, fun fact number 7. Ketchup was used as medicines in the 1830s. I know I wouldn't have a problem with that. I'll love ketchup. Ketchup on fries, ketchup on burgers, ketchup on, not potato chips. Some people, they do that. That's weird. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm Zashak. Stay tech strong and deuces.